Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Voicemod if it's not working, right? Or basically fix the mic issues here. So first up, go ahead and close Voicemod. Okay, go ahead over to your sound right here, or sound settings. Right click on it, click on sound settings. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down and find more sound settings. Okay, so go ahead and test your recording tab right here. Make sure that all is working, most especially your device microphone. Okay, so I got to test. As you can see, it's working. So this microphone right here is being used by Voicemod. Okay, make sure that Voicemod or your device microphone is not disabled, just like this one right here. If it's disabled, right click and enable it, then hit on OK. Also, in this page, scroll up. Your input right here that you should choose is Voicemod. Okay, not your default microphone or any other microphone. Voicemod right here, so that it works perfectly fine. Okay, so for the speakers, it just depends on you, whatever you wanted to use. So once that's done, just close this one. Now, when you go ahead and open up your application or game, and when you go ahead over to sound settings, okay, for example, Discord right here, make sure that under microphone, Voicemod or microphone Voicemod is selected as well. All right. And lastly here, under your Voicemod app, maybe a soundboard right here, you press the correct key. So let's say, for example, we have here fart. So Control+3, fart should be playing. Okay, as you can see here, for example, honk right here, Control+1. When you press that specific keybind, it should play and your friend should be able to hear it. Now, what if you checked all of your settings and this one here as well? And when you go ahead over to the settings section, the correct microphone is selected and headset, and under advanced settings, nothing is wrong. So what you'll do next is basically reinstall the application. Right click on your start menu, installed apps right here. Find Voicemod and install it, uninstall, and then just re-download it, okay? If it says, well, currently running in the background, well, just go ahead and right click on it and exit right here from your taskbar, okay? Again, uninstall it from here, reinstall it from the website, and then once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is how you fix Voicemod if it's not working. I hope this video helps you. I'll see you in the next one.